Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about artifact classification. So what do you mean by classification now? So classification means identification and naming of artifacts. The artifacts are the artifacts are the material remains of cultural activities. And early archaeology was almost entirely artifact oriented. And an archaeologist had to deal with three kinds of data: the artifactual, non artifactual, geographical or geographical, geographical or chronological position of sites. Now, the artifactual tools are the stone tools which we are regularly dealing with in archaeology, and the non-artifactual sites are non-artifactual things are bones, soils, and charcoals. Again, the geographical or the chronological position of sites are also dealt with by archaeologists in order to classify or name the artifacts. So, what is the importance of this archaeological classification? So, archaeological classifications are intended to simplify making comparisons about artifacts from several tools. Apart from that, the it compares about the several tools so that chronology and cultural sequence of that particular artifact can be understood, established. Again, classification is made so that we can understand the tools which are made for many purposes. Theoretically, there is almost an infinite number of typologies for any body of materials. Different typologies can help us in understanding the tools made for different standing purposes, the relation of one part of site to another site, and also a description from all such sites made on the archaeological analysis can be established. These may also be called as the archaeologist analytical laboratory phase. So the archaeological classification should be precise and rely upon detailed and well-defined criteria. So now, what is the identification again in archaeology? The process of placing objects in existing groups is termed as identification. Again, the procedure of identification is one of the diagnoses attributed to assigned specimen to certain classes. Now again, we deal with different type of classes. Now, what is this classes which we mean in archaeology? Okay, so again there is a saying that the archaeologists match the specimen to be identified with those type of the classes. So what are these classes now, and how do we know which classes we are dealing with while understanding class in archaeology? So classes are the basic element of classification in archaeology. Okay, and Webster has defined class as a group of specimen marked by common attributes. So remember, students, the point: common attributes has to be found in a particular class. The archaeologist assign the specimen of each of these assemblages to classes by using one of the two alternatives. Either it has to be a suitable class in existence, or it has to be a formation of new class. So, if the suitable classes are already in existence during identifying classes to during identifying the tool